Welcome to Practice English Easily, your daily dose of real life conversations. Are you ready? Let's go.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I always set an alarm before I go to bed.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink a glass of warm water.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I stretch or go for a short walk.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast with eggs and drink coffee.
Do you eat alone or with your family?
Usually with my family. We all sit together if we are not in a rush.
What time do you leave the house?
Around 8 a.m. after getting ready,
How do you go to work?
I take the bus most of the time.
Do you enjoy your commute?
It's not bad. I listen to music or read.
How long does it take to reach your office?
It takes around 30 to 40 minutes.
Do you carry lunch with you?
Yes, I pack my lunch in the morning.
What time does your work start?
It starts at 9 a.m. sharp.
What do you do at work?
I work on a computer. I manage documents, emails, and reports.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, it keeps me busy and I learn something new every day.
Do you get breaks at work?
Yes, a short tea break in the morning and lunch break in the afternoon.
Where do you eat lunch?
Usually at my desk or in the cafeteria.
Do you talk with coworkers during lunch?
Yes, it's a good time to relax and chat.
What time do you finish work?
Around 5:30 or 6 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I go home, freshen up, and rest for a while.
Do you go out in the evenings?
Sometimes I go for a walk or meet a friend.
What do you eat for dinner?
Usually rice, vegetables, and something light.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I like cooking simple meals.
What do you do after dinner?
I read, watch TV, or listen to music.
What time do you go to bed?
I try to sleep by 10:30 or 11 p.m.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax, clean the house, and meet friends.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, for groceries or clothes.
Where do you buy your groceries?
From the local supermarket.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I try new recipes on weekends.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I enjoy making pasta and vegetable curry.
Do you play any sports?
I play badminton with friends on Sundays.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love watching comedies and dramas.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, I really like Amitabh Bachchan.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read at least one book every month.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, Music helps me relax.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy soft music, old songs, and classical tunes.
Do you go on vacations?
Yes, once or twice a year if possible.
Where was your last trip?
I went to Goa. It was beautiful.
Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
I like both, but I love the calm of mountains.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love dogs and birds.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I'd love to have a dog someday.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, if I can stay indoors.
Do you check the weather before going out?
Yes, always.
Do you use a planner or calendar?
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
Do you like technology?
Yes, I enjoy using gadgets and apps.
Do you talk to your friends daily?
Yes, mostly by messages or calls.
Do you use social media?
Yes, but I try to limit my time.
Do you like helping people?
Yes, it makes me feel happy and useful.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Absolutely. I try to learn something new every day.
What motivates you every day?
Knowing that I can grow and improve myself.
Do you enjoy your life?
Yes, I try to stay positive and thankful every day.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time on Practice English Easily. Bye for now.